All right, how to eat a crawfish 2024. All right, we're diving into our first crawfish here at the Tahlequah Crawfish Fest, 6th annual. You get 2 pounds of crawfish, some corn, and 2 little red potatoes for $25. Pretty good crawfish.
That's pretty good.
Really good crawfish. Prices are high this year though. So here they got a bunch of vendors lining the streets. They got live bands till 11 o'clock. All right, how to eat a crawfish 2024. You get your crawfish and give it a little pinch right here, and then you twist. And it comes out like that. Then you give it a little pinch on the bottom. Grab it with your teeth and it slides right out. So sad they're almost already gone. Try to get a claw out. Sometimes it'll come out. These aren't coming out too good. Pinch, twist. And you can suck the head if you like spice. Woo. That'll get you though. LSU Joe Burrow jersey. All right, now they're also selling boiled shrimp for $18 for a half a pound and $33 for 1 pound. We maybe got 12 shrimp and a half a pound, which is not a lot, but you just pinch the tail there, pull it off. Peel that off. Pop it in. Not bad, but the crawfish is definitely the fan favorite. Fan favorite. Round 2. All right.
It's my idea.
All her idea. All her idea. Come down to Tahlequah, Oklahoma to eat this.